can happen in the dead of night, touching extraterrestrial slime, jelly attack, and even a meeting with a real ghost. Your home will turn into a house of fear if you arrange a big prank night with your friends. And we will help you with that. Redhead and Emma get ready for some sleep. They have a ritual, which is drinking milk with cookies before going to bed. But this kitchen has seen so many pranks that the girls do not even trust each other anymore. Emma takes milk with caution and hopes that it is not poisoned. Redhead smells the cookies, because they can be unusual too. It's strange, but all the food is real and edible. Will there actually be no pranks today? It is very unlike the girls. Girls, don't get too excited too soon. All the pranks today will happen in the dead of night, and the big prank night will start in Redhead's room. The lights are turned off all of a sudden. That's how all the horror movies start. But Redhead is hard to puzzle. She still wants to apply her night face cream. Watch out, it is easy to mistake face cream for a clay mask in the darkness. Squeeze a clay mask into a container. Add food coloring and mix it. Put the clay mask into an empty face cream container. Redhead applies the mask to her entire face and stretches out to get her pajamas. It's strange, but this cream has some weird tightening effect. Maybe it's lifting, but I am too young for a facelift. It's great that my pajamas are at hand. I pull the pants on. Oops! It seems that they untied into a plot against my legs. Sew trouser legs together carefully. The pants are sewn. Now it is impossible to stand in them, only lay in the bed. What kind of jokes are those? We will find out. Somehow I managed to reach the door with small steps. But there is a new obstacle. Somebody pulled a string in the doorway. My sewn pants are not able to overcome it. Emma hears a loud noise. It looks like Redhead fell for all the night pranks. Excellent! Now she can sleep peacefully. Redhead's motto is, if you can't walk, crawl. She doesn't give up so easily. She looks like a snake, ready to fight in this blue mask and sewn pants. She doesn't take pity on her knees and crawls into Emma's bedroom. No one can escape from her revenge. Emma wakes up when she hears a suspicious creak in her door. But there is no one at the doorway. You can't figure out at once whether it's a drow or a ghost. Meanwhile, Redhead sneaks a huge teddy bear into Emma's bed. This bed is way too big for one girl. Let the teddy bear sleep by her side. Emma is scared by the creak, but she goes to sleep and comes across the teddy bear. Oh dear, what kind of beast is it? Go away, monster! While Emma sorts things out with the uninvited guest, Redhead crawls out of the room with her elegant snake walk. Phew! It's just a huge teddy bear. I got scared almost to death. I need to drink some water. I stretch out to get a cup. But somebody managed to change it. I take a big sip of strong coffee instead of water. It seems that I know who has something to do with it. My friend! As expected, coffee and a weak nervous system do not let me fall asleep. I have counted all the sheep, some of them for the second time. There is only one tried and tested method. I need to go to the kitchen and stress eat a bit. Emma goes to find food with a flashlight in her hand. She can film a movie. Emma Croft, Fridge Raider. All of a sudden, she can hear a frightening noise. Oh dear, it's a ghost! But wait, I do not believe in ghosts. It must be my friend. I will take the sheets off now. Oh, there is no one under it. I changed my mind. I do believe in ghosts now. I hide in the farthest corner. The ghost won't find me here for sure. I turn on the night vision mode and take a closer look at the guest from the other world. It's either a worm ghost or my friend covered in sheets. Now it's crystal clear. It's my turn to prank you. Watch out, Redhead! Being a ghost is really tiresome. This is why Redhead falls asleep right away. And Emma doesn't waste her time. First of all, tuck blankets deeply under the mattress, tightly from all the sides. Excellent!